In this video today, we will see how to open locked chats in WhatsApp. Now there are two situations here. Let me open WhatsApp application. And if I pull down the screen, you can see locked chats option at the top of WhatsApp application. Tap on it. Now you need to either use the Face ID or passcode. Once you use it, you will be able to see how many chats are locked, and if I want to open any locked chat, I can just tap on it. Now there might be another situation where you have hidden the locked chat. So in that case, even if you pull down the screen, you will not be able to see the locked chat. So what you have to do is, in this search box, you have to use that secret code which you use in order to hide the chats. So if I use this secret code, then I can see the locked chat, I can open it, and then I can open any chat. Now in this case, you don't need to use your Face ID or iPhone passcode. The secret code will be enough to unlock the locked chats. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.